Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mike Dalcoe, the CEO, continuously empowering others, and I am about to turn up. I entitled this stream Chasing Money versus Chasing Freedom. I'm not sure exactly where all of it's going to go, but it's going down. So, chasing money versus chasing freedom. I'm driving down the highway, at the top down, relaxing, having a good time, and I see this very nice car. And I'll be careful about what I say because I don't want to insult anyone, but I mean it. Saw this very nice car, I recognized the license tag, and so got to the stoplight, rolled the window down, and I said, I need to talk to you. I said, you know what I'm doing? You see me on social media all the time. You know what I'm doing? This business, this plan has your name written all over it. And she told me this. She says, well, you know I'm in school, and I don't really have time. Mindset. I said, you don't really even know what it is. You don't know how much time it takes. And how do you like not having time? And she said, I know, but that's why I'm in school. And I said, what are you in school for? And she told me and everything. She's in school to get her degree so that she can get an occupation, which leads me to my topic, chasing money versus chasing freedom. Now, I don't disparage work anymore. I used to really get on people when I say, you got a job, just over broke, jump out of bed, all that kind of stuff. I try not to do that anymore because our senior partner, Mr. Ty Bass, my mentor, taught me that your job can finance your freedom, and it can. And so I apologize for all the times that I said jump out of bed or just over broke or just our bills, all that kind of stuff. I apologize. That was not right. I was talking to another friend of mine who drives for Uber. And he was sort of saying, he's trying to work his business so he can stop driving Uber. And I said, you know what? One thing I got to give you respect for, Uber is a powerful company, and at least you're working on your own schedule. Your job will finance your freedom. When you have a job, that means you have some cash flow. What you don't want to have is cash flow and no cash. That doesn't work. It doesn't make sense to work all the time and not have any money. You can be broke at home, unemployed. Okay, there's a family member to take you in maybe. Yeah, don't work and be broke. And my business partner, Dwayne Taylor, was telling me a story where he said he was telling him about our wealth building plan, which really doesn't require that much of your time. Just depends on how big your goals and dreams are. And the guy instantly went into recourse mode by saying, man, I just don't have any money to save. And Dwayne was telling him, that's because you haven't learned how to pay yourself first. See, here's what happens. Here's the mindset. When we have a job, nothing wrong with a job. The job will finance your freedom. You need cash flow to build your money system. You need cash flow to build your money system. So if a job creates cash flow, then utilize your job to create the first leg of your money system. Cash flow, and then conversion, then appreciation, and then leverage. All right, so that's the 4 parts of your money system. A job can be that first part, cash flow. So get your cash flow going. But then the guy goes, well, I don't ever have any money. Pay yourself first. When you get a job, the first line item on your budget, go back home today and write on your budget, the first line item, me, and put an amount. Write your name on the top of your expense ledger, your balance sheet, Mike Dalcoe, $300 a week, or Mike Dalcoe, $50 a week. Whatever don't even put a lot of thought into it. What are you worth? You need to put an amount on the first line of your ledger. Your balance sheet needs to be your name. Write your freaking name on the first line of your balance sheet. How in the crap are you going to work your whole life and pay everybody but you? You paying the light bill, the light company. Okay? You're paying the movie theater on Friday when you get paid. You're paying the barber. You're paying the dry cleaners. You're paying the mortgage company. You're paying the water company. You're paying the school for your student loan and your kids' tuition. You're paying everybody, and they're not working for your money. You are. You're paying everybody who's not working for your money, and you're not paying the one person who's paying everybody. It's you. You pay you first. I told you, I'm turning up because I'm tired of seeing my people struggle. I used to do the same thing. 2013 was November 2013 was my last stupid day. November 12th, 2013 was my last stupid financial day. I was just stupid for 49 years of my life. Just financially ignorant. I was a mortgage banker for 15 years, sitting in my cubicle at Wells Fargo, writing loans for people getting $1 million homes. And I'm just as financially ignorant as a box of rocks. Okay, Valencia, Miss Betty Valencia, I just took a breath. But that was my last stupid day. That day I heard about our wealth plan, our money system. It's not even a business. I'm going to quit calling it a business because that scares some people off. It's not a business. It's a money system. I learned about the Karatbars money system. Now, this stream is not about Karatbars per se, but I learned about the Karatbars money system. And for 49 years, all I did was chase paper. I'm not going to sit and just this is what I did for 49 years. Running around trying to get more of this. Chasing paper. Never building any wealth because I got paper and I paid paper. Got paper, paid paper. Got paper, paid paper. I was even in the networking industry, which tries to teach us how to build wealth. But even the mindset of the networking industry is just a little bit better than corporate America because you're doing an activity, getting paid in paper, and then you go buy stuff. You move that money away from you as quick as possible. Pay bills and buy stuff. I didn't have a complete money system. I made the money, I spent the money, and none of it came back to me. So I didn't have the money system where I make the cash, put it into a conversion, convert it into an asset, the asset appreciated in value to build my wealth, and then go tell other people to leverage to keep that cycle going. That's what we're doing. This is not a business. This is a money system. We're building our money system. All four aspects of the money system. So I chased paper all my life until I learned how to build wealth and chase freedom. And I chased freedom with the money system. So get back with the person that's told you about Karatbars because it is a money system. It's not a business. It's a money system. Get back with the person that told you about this money system and let them put you on. Let them put you on this money system because the school system, the corporate America system leads you to financial ruin. 99% of the people in the world fail at the corporate America system, and yet they line up for it. Let me tell you, it's so interesting how human nature will follow a simple plan that is guaranteed to fail versus a simple plan that's guaranteed to build wealth. I'm going to say that again. It is the system, the culture of this country, that people will follow a simple system that is guaranteed to fail as it relates to building wealth. And they won't follow a simple system that will build wealth and give you true freedom. Here's the simple system that 99% of the people line up for. Somebody puts a sign out on the street and says, hiring for forklift drivers, $15 an hour. Applications taken on this Friday at 12 noon from 12 to 6. You will see a line out to the street. And what is the plan they're lining up for? Okay, Michael, this is what we want you to do. You've got to get forklift certification. All right. And you've got to buy some steel-toe boots. You got to be here every day at 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. We're not going to pay you to reimburse you for your gas or wear and tear on your vehicle. You can't get a tax deduction for that. We want you to wear this blue monkey suit. We want you to wear this hard hat and drive this forklift and load this truck all day, 8 hours a day. We want you to be away from your family. We're going to tell you when you can take a break. We're going to tell you when you can go and eat and how long you can stay on your lunch break. We're going to tell you when you can take your afternoon break. And we're going to tell you when you can see your family. You're going to work this job for 40 years, but we won't guarantee you that you're going to have this job. There is no job security unless this company remains profitable. I can't guarantee you that. So you got to hang in there, brother. You got to stay. You can't be on your phone at work. You can't call your wife and just say, hey, I love you whenever you feel like it. You got to wait till you break. You got to work till you're old, tired, and sick before you can even think about retiring. And we might give you this gold watch. And folks line up for that. And you know what? Your family, Your family, man, your family will congratulations on your new job. That's a simple plan that is guaranteed to fail. Now, we do what we must. We must work in order to pay our bills. We must work to take care of our families and support our families. But why in the name of all that is good would you focus on that for the rest of your life as if there is no alternative? Why would anyone focus on that as if there's no alternative? You're looking at me right now on this stream. You see me. And yet you won't even take a look. There's no pain. Here's another thing. We're skeptical of each other. Thank you, Dwayne, for making me say this. We are skeptical of each other. If we as human beings, hear me clearly, this is so powerful. If you get this, we'll change the world tonight. We're so skeptical of each other as human beings until we won't even listen to a potentially life-changing plan. But we'll go and work that other simple plan that's guaranteed to fail. If somebody told you they have a job, you got a job application, these people are hiring, you'd be like, where? Oh my God. You go get your resume together. You'll give up all of your referrals. You'll give up your wife's name, your husband's name, your kid's name, your best friend's name, your mama, your daddy, where they can reach you. Three referrals. You know, you're going to give me a social security number. Let them take background check, drug tested. They do everything, stick stuff all in orifices in your body. You got to be there all day away from your family and away from your home. And then they're going to take 35 to 40% off the top of your check every week and give it to the government, who's going to send your kids to fight stupid wars. And you're okay with that? That's it? That's all we got? No, there is a better way. There is a better way. I'm living that better way right now. I'm living it right now. There's a better way. And if we weren't so skeptical of each other, we'd take a minute and lock hands and say, Mike, show me. Sheila Nolan, show me. Lynette Muhammad, show me. David Buckner, show me what you're doing, man. I don't get this thing. I'm skeptical of it. I don't like them networking things, them pyramid things. But obviously it's legal. MasterCard pays you guys. I can't do more research than MasterCard. You must be legit. Hey, man, you get your product shipped to you by FedEx. It's obviously legit. The CEO of your company is on the Economic Council in Europe. Obviously it's legit. You guys have been doing this for 5 years, debt-free. Mike Dalcoe's been retired going on 3 years, March 3rd of 2017. Obviously, it's legit. Every time I see him on Facebook, he's yelling and screaming, won't even breathe. He's obviously not working somewhere. His wife's still with him. She still loves him. She look good. Obviously, he's doing something right. Dwayne, please tell me what you're doing. Dante, share it with me, man. Go ahead, man. I put my defenses down, brother. Go ahead and let me know. I don't have the confidence in it, but tell me. And then Dante's going to sit there and say, bro, they don't need referrals, a list of people who know you. They don't need a drug test, a background check. They don't want your social security number. It's not. Here's the money system. That's if we could lock arms and not be skeptical of each other and start calling these people on this stream and call me and let me show you. There's no harm here. You can't lose a dollar. All we do is move our money to ourselves. You can't lose a dollar. So you just get with these people. Get with J. Frederick Mobley and say, Mr. Mobley, show me. Go ahead, man. I've been resisting this. I've been seeing this crazy dude down in Atlanta have these live streams. Man, I'm sick of him. Just show me, man. Just show me what you're doing. And we lock arms. We would change the world tonight. But you know what we do? Man, that's a scam. And then we drive on to work. While the CEO's pays of corporations has increased by 1,050% in the last decade, and the poor and middle class wages have stayed stagnant. Guys, it's a scam. 401ks have gone up and down, and you're trying to ride it out. And then when you retire, they're going to tax that at whatever the tax rate is when you retire. Some people lost their 401ks and they're 75 years old and they're waiting for it to recover. And Dwayne Taylor said on his stream, your life is like a measuring stick. It's like a 12-inch ruler. And let's say every inch is 10 years and you got 120 years. Where are you on that ruler? As I'm 52 years old, I'm getting down that ruler. That's a sobering thought. I did not come here to work all my life, pay bills, and die. I came here to live this lifestyle that I'm living now, where I wake up when I get tired of sleeping, and a money system will show you how to do it. You need a money system. You don't need a business. You don't need a business. Let's take that out, because a business is just a part of the money system. And this company gives you the money system without even a business. You need a money system. And these people can show you. Catherine Huff can show you the money system. Tommy Lynch will show it to you. Kiara Edmonds, he's in the money system. These people are sharp. Most of these people sharper than me. If I can do it, you can do it. Betty Valencia will show you the money system. Type your name in here. I'll shout you out. They can show you the money system. It's not hard. As a matter of fact, it's very simple. And if we come together and we trust each other, nothing can come from you without your total and complete control. It's totally secured. No one has control but you. So get with Dante Taylor and let him show you this amazing money system. The wealthy have always had a money system. Your corporation has a money system. They're leveraging you. So let's start chasing freedom, because freedom feels amazing. It feels so good to know the bills are paid. Right now, you can look in your back office and see the bills for December already paid in November. That's a money system. Robert McCoy can show you that money system. And I know my buddy up there in North Carolina, Chris Maynard, can show you. Sam Collins will show you. He's up there in Pennsylvania. Ricky Johnson's in Tennessee. Rachel Rose is in Augusta. They can all show you. Sandra Vaughn is over in, I think Sandra's in Tennessee. They can show you the money system. And understand what I'm saying here. Feel my heart. Feel my heart right here. David Buckner will show you the money system. Feel my heart here. I'm telling you to go to these people and let them show you. If you come to me, I'll show you. But there is no selfishness here. We're a family of wealth builders. We've locked arms. And we're going to help you do it. Sherry Brown will show you the money system. Get back with Sherry Brown. Thank you, guys. I told you, I said it in the beginning, so I'm not going to apologize. Ricky Bug can help you see this money system. And I'm going to encourage my business partners. Mario McKinney, Eric Bay will show you the money system. Vincent Muhammad will show you the money system. I want to say this. Zachary Muhammad will show you the money system. I'm going to encourage. Stop calling Karatbars a business. Just stop. Try your best. Train your business. Just call it a money. Call it what it is. Call it what the Vatican called it. A proper financial instrument. It's a money system. It's wealthy. They set up a money system. And then they move all their money to wealth management and have trust. And they just get so rich. Their net worth goes into the multiple billions. So please, please, guys, get back with the person that shared this money system with you and let us lock arms together. Sandra Williams will show them. Let's lock arms together and let's get this done. This is Mike Dalcoe, the CEO. Turn up. Chasing money or chasing freedom. See you on the next stream.